Dear students, welcome to the lesson Gravitation. In the previous class, you have studied free fall, acceleration due to gravity. In today's session, we are going to see the difference between mass and weight. In the previous chapter, you have learned that the mass of the object is the measure of its inertia. When mass is more, inertia also will be more. It remains same wherever the object is kept on the earth or in the universe. For example, the mass of a particular person is 25 kg means it is same elsewhere, but weight is different. In what way it is different? Let us see. You know very well, the earth attracts every object with certain force. This force depends upon the mass of the object as well as the acceleration due to gravity. The weight of an object is the force. The weight of the object is the force with which it attracts towards the earth. So, you know very well, F is equal to mg. So, in the place of force, we can give weight. So, W, weight is equal to m into g. So, what is weight? The force of attraction of the earth on an object is called weight of the object. Hope you understood the difference between weight and mass. Here, the force of attraction of the earth on the particular object is called weight of the object. So, here, so weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So, m is same as we told. What about g? You know very well, at poles, yes, the value of g will be more. Equator, it will be less, but at the center of the earth, it is 0. So, the weight of an object will be different even on the earth, but mass is same. For example, the mass of the object even on moon or any other planets, it is same. But weight of the object on the moon is different from the weight of the object on the earth. Then the gravitational force of the earth, approximately it is 10 meter per second squared, you know very well. But on the moon, it is 1/6 of, it is 1/6. That means it is less than that. The value of it is 1/6. For example, the weight of an object on the earth is 36. And what about the weight on the moon? Here, you have to divide the value by 6 because there the gravitation, acceleration due to gravity is less, that is 1/6. So, you have to divide it by 6. And also, the unit for mass is kilogram. What about the unit for weight? It is Newton because W is equal to m into g. So, W is here, it is replaced by force. So, the unit is also different. Definition is also different. The value also will be different. But mass is same elsewhere, even on any heavenly bodies. Okay, dear ones, hope you understood the difference between mass and weight. Dear students, now we can see what is thrust and pressure. You could have noticed these are the situation in our day-to-day life. For pinning a picture into a notice board, you are using a pin. Have you seen? Then, while pinning, we are applying certain amount of force to the head of the pin, but its feet, have you seen, it is very pointed. If it is not pointed, it will be very difficult to pin the picture on the notice board. Is it? Same thing, you could have seen while walking on the seashore, we are finding difficult to walk because our feet going inside into the sand. But if you are lying down, it won't be. Have you noticed it? But we are having same mass. Why? What is the reason? And also, your school bag strip will be broader. And the tire of the heavy vehicles will be broad one. Have you noticed these are the things? And also, knife edges will be pointed one. What is the reason? Let us see it now. What is thrust first of all? The net force on a particular direction is called thrust. Okay? Actually, it is a force. The net force in a particular direction is called thrust. That means the force what we are applying in a particular direction. Okay, dear ones. So, these are the situations why the strip of your school bag is broad. You know very well. You have learned in the lower classes what is pressure. Pressure is equal to force per unit area. Here instead of force, we are using the term thrust. Okay. Let us think about your school bag. The pressure is applied to your shoulder when you are keeping your bag on your shoulder. The force is given by the books what is kept in your bag, and the area is, and which area it is applied to, through the strip of the bag. If the strip is thin one, means more amount of pressure will be given to your shoulder, you will have pain. If it is broader one, less pressure will be given by your school bag, because you know very well pressure is equal to force by area. They are inversely proportional to each other. If area is more, pressure will be less. Area is less, pressure will be more. So for example, for cutting an apple, I am using a knife. Here I am applying certain amount of force to the knife. Okay, that is thrust, and area is very thin. Is it? That's why I can easily cut the fruit. Suppose if it is blunt, means very difficult to cut the fruit or apple. Am I right? So, area is less, pressure will be more. Okay, this pressure will be exerted by solid, liquid as well as gases. Solid exert pressure to the object where it is kept, but for liquid they exert pressure to down as well as to the walls of the container where it is kept. Okay, dear ones, today you have seen difference between mass and weight, what is thrust and pressure, Hope you understood the topic.